welcome to the second tutorial in Series 3 on painting faces. In this lesson, we'll continue our study of the facial features with ears. Ears are the facial feature that probably have the most variety in terms of shape and complexity, and many of the great master iconographers seem to have a signature style for ears. Here we can see ears from the Komnenian period, Panselinos, Astropas, and Theophanes of Crete. Ears can also differ in structure between young and elderly faces, where the latter may have larger lobes. So in this lesson we'll paint three noses, a young one, an old one, and an ear covered by hair, like the ones we see in icons of figures with long hair or head coverings. But first let's have a quick look at the basic ear structure. Again, this ear is smaller and darker and the features are less complex. And here we have ear that will be covered by hair. And for this we're going to start with some yellow ochre. Again, flatten the brush and blend out into the proboscis. And the lobe, and we do them on the lobe as well. Within the first semithia, you'll see that I'm only painting it on the brightest part, so there's a transition from light to dark, and again on the lobe.